Alright, before you start blaming your diet for that belly bulge, I want you to try something with me right now. Seriously, stand up. Get out of your chair. I know you're probably at your desk. Now, tighten your glutes. Squeeze those butt muscles as hard as you can. Did you feel your hips rotate? Did your stomach pull in a bit? If you saw that, here's the wild truth. It's not fat you're seeing, it's an optical illusion. Here's what's actually happening. The angle of your pelvis is tilted forward. That tilt pushes your internal organs out, making your midsection look bigger than it is. And what's causing all of this? Habit. Think about your day. You sit to eat, you sit to commute, you sit at work, and then you sit again to relax. Your body adapts to the position it's in most. Sitting. Your hip flexors get tight, your glutes go to sleep, and your entire alignment falls apart. Even when you stand up, your body is stuck in chair mode. Let's put it this way. Imagine your pelvis is a bucket. Right now, you're spilling water out the front because the bucket is tipped. Your back arches, your stomach pushes out. But here's the good news. This is totally fixable, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Let's run through a quick reset for your body. First, hip flexor release. Step into a lunge. But don't just lean forward. Tuck your pelvis backward. You should feel that stretch right at the front of your hip. That's the tension from all that sitting, and you're undoing it now. Second, hip lift. Lie on your back, knees bent. Push your hips up and, here's the key, squeeze your glutes at the top. Really make those muscles fire. Tap them if you need to check. This is what brings your pelvis back into balance. Third, limb extension. Still on your back, press your lower back into the floor. Now, reach your opposite arm and leg out straight. It seems easy, but keeping your core steady, that's the real work. It teaches your body to hold your pelvis stable, even when you move. Fourth, spinal articulation. Get on your hands and knees, arch your back down, then curl it up. It's like a reset button for your spine, teaching your nervous system how to control your pelvis again. Last one, resting posture. Kneel back, arms outstretched. Breathe. Let your lower back relax for a moment. Do this routine daily for 2 or 3 weeks. You'll notice your stomach pulls in, your back pain fades, and you start standing taller without even trying. Your alignment changes everything, not just how you look, but how you feel and move. Try that first glute squeeze test again in a week. I guarantee you'll feel and see the difference. If this helped you rethink your body, hit like and follow for more smart fixes. Thanks for watching.